you're looking for a valuation on surplus machine tools, or you're looking to buy a machine and need to get rid of the old one, then Machining Solutions here in Coventry is definitely a company for you to consider. Now I'm here with Steve, and Steve, Machining Solutions plays a unique part in the industry. Why is that?
I think it's because I can offer the ability to broker machines for people, but at the same time, as you can see, we buy machines as well. So if someone wants a quick deal, we're here, available to take the machine off their hands. If they want to hold on to it for a bit longer, try and obtain a better price, we can do that as well. I've been in the machine tool game a long time. I sold new machines for 12 years, and I've been now running Machining Solutions for the last 12 years. They say initially it's a brokerage service, and now we buy and sell. We also offer training, installation and other services as well. I have a good database of customers I've worked with over the years, different agents and dealers throughout the world as well. So I can usually obtain the best possible price for that machinery.
So I've got surplus stock, yeah. Steve. What am I going to do? You know, talk me through the whole process.
Okay. Visit our website, Lindsay, which is machiningsolutions.co.uk. On there's a form where you can send your details, send details of the machinery for evaluation, or pick up the phone, give me a call. And again, once I know what you want to sell, get some more details on it, get some pictures, etc., and get your evaluation based on that.
Oh, so you're saying from pictures you don't actually have to go out and visit?
Don't have to go out, no. Quite often we just get a price based on pictures alone. We are able to visit site if it's safe to do so, and we can do it either way.
And what is the variety of stock you're talking about, and does it have to be working?
Well, variety of stock's quite diverse, in all honesty. It's metal cutting machinery predominantly, which is lathes, mills, grinders, that type of thing, conventional and CNC. Working preferably, but we buy non-working machines as well.
Okay, thank you so much. So if you do have surplus machines within the metal cutting industry, make sure you're getting in touch with Steve at Machining Solutions.